Hello guys, welcome back to yet another review video. We had lots of questions regarding OnePlus Buds Z, whether to buy them, is it worth 3K, etc. So let me share my thoughts about OnePlus Buds Z after using them for approximate 2 to 3 days. We have already seen lots of unboxing, so we won't be covering the unboxing part. Instead of that, let's take a quick look on the box content. I personally like the packaging. Inside the box we get a pair of OnePlus Buds Z with 40 mAh battery capacity on each earbud. Then we have OnePlus Buds Z charging case which has 450 mAh battery. We get to see safety manual and warranty card. After that we have user guide, silicone ear tips with 3 different sizes, small, medium and large, and at last a cute looking USB to Type-C charging cable. So these are the box content. Now let's keep everything aside and talk about OnePlus Buds Z. First let's talk about the build quality and device overview. We have a very small and lightweight battery case, and here case and buds both are made up of glossy plastic, and at some point we get to see matte plastic on the inside of charging case. Inside the box we get magnetic fitting of buds, and the lid is also magnetic. As said, buds or battery case is pretty small and easily it can fit inside your pockets. Build wise, I would say the quality is decent with this price range. We don't get to see any gaps between the closing of case, which definitely won't allow dirt to pass inside the box. On the buds we have this aluminium tap area which is also an tap gesture. These buds are IP55 sweat and water resistant. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0 which has a decent range of 10 meters. Until now I haven't faced any kind of connectivity issue, and I've been using them with my OnePlus 8 as a daily driver. I always have my Bluetooth turned on, so whenever I open the case, phone automatically detects the buds. If you are using for the first time, it will prompt you to pair your buds. If you have already paired, it will show you a small pop-up menu highlighting the battery of buds and the case. On the case, we also have a small button which can be used to pair your buds with non-OnePlus devices or any other smartphone. And pairing is quite simple. Long press the button and you're good to go. Isn't it easy? Now let's move on to the main function of an earphone, which is sound and mic quality. As I'm not a professional musician and it's hard to go in depth about music understanding, but being a regular or a normal user, let me provide my thoughts on it. OnePlus Buds Z does a good job when it comes to music. I mostly listen to Punjabi music, which comes with some great bass, and I must say bass is pretty good on OnePlus Buds Z if I compare it with my OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, and I think bass seems to be more good because of the in-ear design of OnePlus Buds Z. And sound quality may be different for every individual depending on their taste of music. With my type of music taste, I would say it's a great deal with this price range. Now let's move on to the call quality. Call quality is good enough on Buds Z, but it lacks active noise cancellation. OnePlus says Buds Z come with environmental noise cancellation, which improves the quality of your voice for those on the other side of the call. And here we have sample of indoor and outdoor audio recording by the person on other side. So you guys will be the judges here.
Here is the indoor audio sample recorded by individual on other side. Here is the audio sample recorded by the individual on other side in extreme noisy environment.
I'm personally not happy with the so-called environmental noise cancellation, which isn't great when you take calls in outdoor scenarios. But no doubt call quality and mic quality is great in indoor conditions. We also have lots of people on a channel who are into gaming. So let's see if OnePlus Buds Z can be used while gaming or not. I everyday do gaming for around 4 to 5 hours. And I have been using OnePlus Buds Z from the day I have purchased. On OnePlus Buds Z, there are no issues related to latency or delay sound without even using Fanatic mode. I have tested on all my OnePlus phones starting from OnePlus 6 series to OnePlus 8 series and also on OnePlus Nord. So there was no delay in this sound, and the sound is loud enough to hear the footsteps in a game like PUBG. But there are two major issues I have been facing while using them. One is audio automatically decreases and increases while you are into a game, and even with Fanatic mode on. This happens twice or thrice every time when I am doing gaming. Second issue is also a major one where you don't hear sound for a second or two, and this issue is very frequent while doing gaming. Though I don't find any disconnection issues while on call, I'm exactly not sure what issue is this, but yes, it's very irritating when you are into a game and you don't get to hear audio. Hope OnePlus fixes this issue with a firmware update in future, but right now these are the two major bugs I have found while gaming. OnePlus Buds Z have limited customization options and a newly added gesture. If you're listening to music and whenever you remove any one bud from your ear, the music automatically pauses and soon resumes when you put back the bud in your ear. And I feel it's a good add-on instead of that single tap to pause or play, which is no more available on OnePlus Buds Z. There are some basic customization options available which you can directly access from the Bluetooth settings. Tapping on the gear icon here, where you have an option to find your device. Under headphones, you can customize, double click on the left earbud, double click on the right earbud, and you can also enable auto firmware update. If you want to check out the functionality, you can tap on this function description. Now let's also talk about fitting and comfortability. OnePlus Buds Z just fit perfect and in-ear fitting is just awesome. It doesn't come out in situations like when you are working out in a gym or when you are out for running. You can adjust the fitting accordingly by changing the ear tips. We have 3 sizes available: small, medium and large. Using ear tip of my ear size, I feel but uncomfortable after using it for longer time and it starts to hurt my ear a bit. But I think over time I will get used to them. Last but not the least, let's also cover the battery part. So first, each earbud have 40 mAh of battery and the charging case comes with 450 mAh of battery capacity. So with continuous usage of buds while listening to music and playing games, I was getting battery between 3.5 hours to 3 hours and 45 minutes. And this might vary for every individual depending on what type of music you are listening to. But yes, that's a decent battery backup on OnePlus Buds Z. To charge my buds and the charging case together, it takes around 55 to 60 minutes from 0 to 100%. And here I use my OnePlus 8 stock 30 watt charger. And once charging case is charged fully at 100%, this can charge your OnePlus Buds Z approximate 4 to 5 times. And that's great. So I have no complaints about battery on my OnePlus Buds Z. And now here are my thoughts on OnePlus Buds Z. So overall with this price segment, it's a decent bud. I am happy with the build quality, but seriously not happy with the performance part. As I mentioned, the issues like audio increases and decreases while playing games, and in between audio breaks down for a second or two, and this happens frequently while playing games. Hope OnePlus fixes this issue with a firmware update for buds. Along with that, I think OnePlus so-called environmental noise cancellation is not great when it comes to outdoor conditions. Caller will obviously have disturbance if an individual is in noisy environment. So with the current condition of OnePlus Buds Z, I won't recommend these buds for gaming and taking calls in noisy environments. If these issues are fixed, then it's a great deal. So guys, this was my complete review on OnePlus Buds Z. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.